Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Look what car we're in. Suck in the stomach. Yeah, this is the S55 AMG. Remember I got the cojones to fix the spring? Yep, we did it. We fixed her. And now we're going to take her for a little bit of gas, okay? Because we have a fuel injector problem, I'm thinking, okay? We do have a misfire in cylinder number 3, tray. So we're going to take her and put some fresh gasoline in her, and we're going to kind of see how she does on the road. Remember last time? I've driven this car around the block once. I've owned this car 6 months, and I've gone maybe 0.3 of a mile. I guess around a block would be 0.4 of a mile. So we're going to put some miles on the car today. We're going to see how she does. Let's do it. Let's get started with the S55 AMG, the cheap Copart S55 AMG. Yep, let's do it. Let's turn the key, see how she does, and see how she sounds. Okay, let's do it. There we go. She doesn't sound bad, you know? She really doesn't sound bad. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to go over here, and we are going to take her down the street, put some gasoline in her. Okay, let me roll down the windows though, because ooh, she's not idling super smooth. So let's see what's going on. Okay. Oh, we have a mirror turn signal right. I think that's a lamp. Here comes my postman. Okay, remember last time we took her around the block? Yeah, we made it 0.2 of a mile and our spring sprung. So she thinks her door is open. Okay, that's the back door because that's off. She desperately needs a steering alignment. Desperately. Okay, we've gone maybe 0.5 of a mile, and we're getting little, well, okay, just look through here. Can you see? Coolant, visit workshop. Well, she's full of antifreeze, so that's new. And ABC, active body control. Oh gosh, look at this. This is how we're driving. That's straight. Yeah, she desperately needs an alignment. Oh, we also have ESP and the ABS. Okay, that you can usually fix. Turning left and turning right while you're at a standstill. Just go all the way this way and all the way that way, and that should fix it. She still thinks the door is open. All right, how's she gonna do? Can you hear the brakes? Yeah, if you haven't driven a car in a long time, those brake pads, they make a weird sound until they're kind of warmed up and worn down a little bit. Ugh, I don't like that at all. All right, here we go. We're literally going to a quick trip. It's 1.5 miles away. Okay, let's just hope we get there. We're going straight. We're driving straight. Looking like that. All right, when we get to the gas station, we'll be back. We made it to the gas station. Check out all these issues, okay? Front left turn signal, coolant. I know she's full of coolant. I've checked that already. Active body control. We also have mirror turn signal right. So that's the little LED lights in the turn signal. We have ESP. And I think we have brake assist. Yeah, there's the brake assist right there. And then we have the ABS. And then we go back to coolant. Okay, so what we do is if we turn the wheels this way and this way, usually what happens is your ABS light goes off. Not so. Okay, so she's so out of cattywampus here that, okay, that guy was really close to me that almost hit me in the parking lot. Yeah, so she won't even reset the ABS. Yay, me. Okay, let's give this a try and see if it's any good. Ready? Here we go. Yowza. Glug, 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 glug. Well, that was fast. Okay. And then how many gallons? Up to 15 to 20. Okay, let's get us some gas. notice now, somebody's coming up quickly behind me. The ABS light went off. Thank you very much. Still dealing with coolant. What else? Southern Hills. There you go. Southern Hills Country Club. In the heart of Tulsa. They play PGA championships right there. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, ABC we're still working on. This car is so out of alignment. See, look at that. I hit a bump. The tires freak out. It doesn't like it. Oh, so we have ABC and coolant. So the brake assist and the ABS went away, which is good. Now we just got to, oh, it came back. It came back. Yeah, that's because it's so out of alignment. Wow. This is crazy. Look how I'm turning. Okay, let's see if we can make it home. Radio works. Thank you very much. All right, we're going to see which tire is way out of alignment, okay? Let me put up all these windows. Had to air it out a little bit. She does smell good in here. Better than most of my cars, but it's not perfect. So let's kind of see what the deal is. Which one is wackadoodle? This one looks pretty straight. Kind of. This one is way out. Okay. So the front of the tire's got to go that way. And this tire looks like it's kind of gone chunk like that a little bit. That's worrisome. Really? Yeah, we need to get a full wheel alignment. Yowza. What is that, ladies and gentlemen? Sound of success. That is exactly, ooh, look at the starburst. The sound of success. Crazy camera angles. Okay, I want you to notice something. What's not on anymore? Can you even see? No check engine light. We fixed it. We fixed the engine. And she runs great. And she makes Mike very, very happy. Okay, so what's left? Well, the SRS and the coolant and a couple of headlights. And then she's good to go. SRS, remember we had it, the passenger seatbelt squib or something like that. So I'm going to get another one from a used car. There happens to be one at the LKQ here in TUL. And then we're going to change a couple of lights. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get another radiator fan because there's an S500 that I could probably steal it from at the same LKQ. And I hope that's going to take away my coolant light because we do have coolant. It's full of coolant and she's happy with her coolant. Okay, so that leaves the ABC error message. I don't know what we're going to do about that. Okay, she seems to be riding a little high. Let's see if we take her down. Yeah, she's not responding to oh wait, here we go. ABC Sport. I don't think she went down any. Yeah. Oh wait, now there's a light on. I don't know if we're going up or not. I don't know. But the lights are coming on, so that's a good thing. See? Yeah, right there. So let's clear these. I got to figure out that ABC system. But other than that, I'm happy. I'm loving it. Loving life. Okay, thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single view. Have a great day, everybody. The S55 continues to roll down the road. Good news.